I am nature's oldest temple. My glaciers and streams provide the water you drink. My forests, your wood, your clean air. I am the mountain. I am nature's oldest temple. You used to recharge your body and soul in the calm of my forests. You once climbed my peaks, seeking enlightenment.
Look up. I am the sky. I am a warm, protective blanket wrapped around everyone on Earth. Every day, I am the breath you take in.
I am the forest. Let me grow, and we can solve your climate problem together.
I don't really need people, but people need me.